first shots out of the 19x. We're gonna see what it's like. We're gonna see how it shoots, what the hype is about. We're also gonna shoot the equalizer and Shield Plus. So stay tuned. Give me a second. Let me get this paperwork done, safety and all of that. But we'll be right back. I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm gonna see y'all in the range. That 19x. Let's get to it. And one in the head is crazy. Yeah, they got that D-led, so man, I'm about to eat some, so y'all remember last time I almost forgot I had to go back in, but I mess with it. I appreciate them for doing this. It's something important. We don't want to touch our face. I got another pimp in the same spot like last time. Don't worry about that, guys. It is what it is. I'm gonna finish washing my hands. I'm gonna talk to you outside. I'm gonna let you know where I was at, the experience and all that, and what that 19x was like. I'm gonna let y'all know in a second. Be right back. Splash.